Hi Amorians, I'm back with this recipe. In today's video, I would like to share with you how I make this OHA soup. So if you're from the south, if you're Igbo, please rate my soup because this is the first time I'm actually making this. But yeah, it is worth the hype. It tastes super amazing, and yes, I will definitely be making this again. Now let's dive in. So the first thing I did was cut my protein. I'll be using beef for this because it's been long I actually cooked with beef. So yeah, I'm going to cut my beef into the desired sizes. The reason why you see me cutting my protein myself is because normally I don't really know what to do with the beef when I buy it from the market, so I like to just keep it like that, so that when I made up my mind on what to cook with it, I will know what exactly or how to cut it. Now I cut some shaki, which is tripe, and then I'll be cleaning that with more water and some lemon. Now you're going to add your beef and shaki into your pot. You're going to add some bouillon cube. I use the shrimp and classic, then salt. Now I'm going to crush my yellow habanero pepper with some onions, and then I'm going to add that. If you haven't cooked with this yellow pepper, you need to give it a try. It is spicy, quite sure, but it is so amazing. Like, the flavor and aroma is there. Now I'm going to add enough water that will cook this beef and shaki. Give everything a good stir, cover and let it cook. Once my meat is about 80% done, I'm going to, as you can see, the stock has greatly reduced. I'm going to add more water to this because you need the stock as your base for this soup. So I'm going to add enough water, and then into that I'm going to add some more and then stockfish. Now I'm going to add the remaining yellow pepper onion mixture, adjust my seasoning, and then in my blender I'll crush some crayfish, smoked prawns, and my uziza seed into powder using my buchi mix blender. Now you're going to add this into your stock and give everything a good stir. You're going to cover and allow it to simmer a bit. Now you can't make OHA soup without ogiri, at least this is what I had or seen. So I'm going to dissolve my ogiri in water and then add that to my soup. Let that cook for a few minutes until you have something like this, and then I'm going to add some fresh pepper. Of course, I'll be blending that using my buchi mix blender. You're going to add your blended pepper and then cover and let it simmer for a bit. Now you're going to cook some cocoyam until it is soft, and then you're going to peel it, blend that until it's smooth. You can also use your mortar and pestle to crush everything, but once you have your good blender, strong blender, you don't need to stress yourself. Now you're going to add some water to that blend till it's smooth, and then we're going to add that into our soup. Next, you go in with your palm oil. Use good quality palm oil, and then you're going to cover this and allow it simmer until the cocoyam blend has taken up the soup and has melted completely. Now you make a swallow of choice. I heard OHA soup goes better with fufu, but I don't really like fufu, so I'll be making some poundo to pair with this soup. Please, you can use your fufu if that's what you like. Now once that cocoyam has melted and taken up my soup, I'll go ahead with my clean washed dry fish and then more of that crayfish uziza seed powder. Now you're going to cut your uziza leaves and then add that into the soup. Just go to the market if you're trying, especially if you're Hausa or from the north. Just go to the market and ask where you can get the soup condiment, and they will direct you there. You will get literally everything that I used in this video. Now give everything a good stir, and then we're going to prep our OHA leaves for the soup. This is what the OHA leaves looks like. Mine is a bit wilted. I don't know the right word to use. It, as you can see, it is not that fresh, but yeah, we're going to make do with what is available. Now I'm going to add the OHA leaves into my soup after washing, of course. And then, as usual, give everything a good stir. So once you add your OHA leaves, your soup is pretty much done. Now, how will you rate this soup of mine? Out of 100, okay, rate me out of 10. Let's do 10. Out of 10, you're going to rate me and I will be watching your comments. Did I try? Is this something you will try, especially if you're Hausa like me? Or I will tell you this, the hype is watered. Like, this soup is watered. I will rate this soup 100 over 100 if there's something like that. It is so good, and as you can see, it has lots of protein. It has vegetable from the leaves. It is just well loaded. I'm plating my OHA soup, as you can see in the video. So if you like this video and will want to see more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And also follow me on my other social media platforms: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook at Chef Amat. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.